Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So as I explained already in today's video on euro currency, market stands in an environment with big political tensions, and currently investors and markets just are scaring of the big war in the Middle East between Iran and Israel. And you can see that confirmation across the board. Gold rising, stocks, European stocks collapsed, S&P collapsed, dollar index showing the bounce here, dollar stands flat and showing some minor growth. And take a look what's going on in 10-year bonds. It's just yield has decreased, dropped significantly below the 4%, right to the 3.95 area. So this very big sell-off on the yields. So all this stuff together means geopolitical tensions. So, and from this standpoint, as we already talked about this yesterday, so if it's really big conflict will start, so we do not know what the response of Iran will be, but it's now sounds really a bit scaring. Things that have been said yesterday on the media in relation to the possible response. So we should forget about any bearish patterns that might be formed in the nearest time. And already, if you will take a look at the weekly chart, here's by the way a very tricky moment I will show you. So on the weekly chart, you could see that market not only has erased the previous grabber, but the grabber that we discussed, potential grabber that we discussed yesterday. Today's Friday, guys, and we could even not could not get it. So and probably will not get it. So it will be just bullish breakout with the turning weekly trend into bullish territory. This will be definitely positive. With this performance on the board, you understand that currently any speeches about the possible retracement on the gold market right there, so it's not really correct. This action goes out of the limits of any retracement. It's definitely not a retracement. In fact, here you could even see the combined some kind of the bullish engulfing pattern. So if you unite these candles in one single candle, unfortunately we do not have some kind of the 8-9 bars time frame to take it together, but you can see by the shape that's definitely V-shape, any kind of the engulfing performance. So it means that context currently stands bullish, our trend turns bullish once again, and we should be ready for a challenging of the top. At the same time, currently since the overbought here stands relatively close on the weekly chart, chances that we could get some preparation, some consolidation before a breakout seems significant. And from that standpoint, I would personally watch for, or at least I would like to see here, for example, the bullish butterfly. So that might be left wing of the butterfly. If market will show a moderate pullback here, we could get the right wing and possible upward breakout later. So from that standpoint, on the fall time from chart, we could watch for some pattern, some levels. There's mostly two of them. It's 24.20 approximately. Actually, we talked about this yesterday already. It's confluence area, and its previous top also stands right there. And next one, 24 even. 618 support and the whole upward direction. So if market will show the bounce down to this area or that area and start forming some butterfly, that will be just great. So we will get clear pattern, evident pattern that will be relatively easy to deal with. So that's what I think we could keep an eye on. So today, Friday, is before the weekend, and it's very high chances that through this weekend will happen the response of the Iran to the Israel. I wouldn't recommend to keep the positions through the weekend. Anything might happen. Yes, you could try to take the wild card and take the long position, hoping that will expose the market. It may be with the 90% you will be correct in this suggestion. But you understand that this is a kind of the, well, it's not an analysis. It's mostly the gambling. Although this is good gambling, so theoretically, chances that you could wake up on Monday and you will get the gold absolutely on the different levels. This also could happen. That's why decide by yourself. Also, do not forget about slippage on the orders on the Monday open. So if you will take it in place order right now and market will open or close outside of your order, you will be filled absolutely at a different price. And if you have the limit orders, you probably could be not filled at all. So this is another risk that you could meet if you will hold positions for the weekend. But currently, in general, our situation looks really good for the gold market, totally according with our strategy, long-term strategy that we are following for the second year already, or even third year. So here's really great asset now to have in this gold market, and it's not expensive right now, despite that it raised significantly this year, almost 50-60%. So it's not expensive currently if we take into consideration the geopolitical situation. So that being said, I would prefer in current circumstances, if you have a long position, you could of course try to just manage your stops and you could keep them. But if you would like to take the new one, as I explained, either you're taking the bet on some unexpected events that could happen in a weekend, and trying to estimate some area where you would like to hide your stop, or you're just waiting for some bounce and keep going with the market performance, watching for the support areas and waiting for some clear patterns. One of them might be the butterfly, as I said.